Hello everyone. We have arrived at our first destination. We are at Miss Yenyu. Say hi bitches. Oh my god. Like sobrang lamig. The coldest so far. Here is Kuya Chris. He's gonna be taking our photo. Saan?
Medyo tagal lang dito. Pero ang perfect kasi.
This is our destination. But I've already been there.
Ito.
Cute princess.
Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan?
Okay.
Ako si Lady Sleeper. Feeling ko si Joey to. Si Pineapple ba?
Sounds like a dragon.
Wait. This is me. This is me. This is me. Yes.
Alam mo, dapat ay hindi ako today. May ano naman siya. Para ako workout.
Mama, I'm also wearing short, but no one gives a fuck about me and my feelings. God. It's like the goodness and the evil, color and black. Ooh. Everyone, our friend is for sale. Hashtag avail. Hashtag in the market. Oh, para i-edit in na no. Apparently, I should film this. So, this is hashtag cute princess. It's giving hashtag Joey, hashtag cute. Ayan siya. Cute princess. She's actually not that cute. She's okay princess. Okay princess. Oh my god, I can literally jump there and you know, unalive. JK. Am I? Oh my god, it's so cold. Hi!
Should we set up a tripod? Sure. Ilang cute mo dito?
Work. Mama's like weirded out.
Dito hanggang dyan. Ay! Isa-isa. Tawa-tawa ko.
Nakafilm ako, Joey. No, like I'm actually filming. That's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Oh my god. Ano? Ang OOE. Kasi
Zoom mo na.
Everything
Everything is a deal.
oh. Mama. Okay.
Iba yung ano na to, Joey, to that part na.
Okay, everyone, this is... Girl, I don't know, honestly. This is something. Oh my God, ang ganda ng... Fuck, ang ganda ng view from here. Wait, let me. Okay. We're gonna get close to the rocks. I actually dressed creams pero mas warm brown. Pinantone yung mga bato. Sabi ko, I dressed kasi creams for today. Pero iba pala yung pantone ng shade. Can you take a photo of me, please? So beautiful. Oh my God. I literally wanna kill me. I mean, so sorry guys. But I wanna kill myself here. Reaction video. Late yung reaction video.
Uy, wala pa tayong ginagawang TikTok. Let's walk. Ay, sige.
The newly engaged couple. Mababa. Good to you, my friend.
Daman lang tayo ng giro. Ako rin lari mo.
We're international. I'm still standing for the Jesus. Nakaupo. Ayan na mga Uy, ayaw nyo lang mag-Tagalog eh. Okay, ulit. Hindi ko narinig yung mga sinabi.
Cute to.
Girl, they were saying about something about jacking off.
Bird! Patingin ng bird.
Yep, let's all put that in, mama. There. Oh, hi guys. Fuck. Wait, I look so rough. We are at the top now. Basta we're at the top of whatever you call this, like a mountain. It's so pretty easy naman to. Oh, wait. Kailangan ko huminga. Let me now walk. So, as I was saying earlier, I was trying to say na, there it is. We are at the top of this. I just can't show you what's below us. But, oh my God, we've been walking for, yeah, it's worth it, right?
Mga cannibals.
Girl, medyo careful. Putang ina, B, medyo...
Pakita mo!
Kikita mo sa imagine mo. Ang ganda pala ang langit. Girl, this is giving death. Like, honestly, walang railing, walang anything. Death, mama. Nothing's funny. There's Vic and Jen. We have Rico and Jolito. You have me. It's raining! Actually raining. Nagkasakit talaga itong mga baklang to. Girl, I don't give a fuck, we're here. Hey y'all, God is in the house. It's a yacht. I'm just living that life on the They are newly engaged or enraged rather. Turo mo, tapos ikaw, tuturo mo. Ayan. Newly enraged. Oh my god, that's the money shot. Okay, ready and go! Hello everyone. Update. Nasa baba na kami, I think. Kinda. At marami ng tao. People are coming in. See? Oh my god, we were here earlier and we had the entire place to ourselves. Ganyan na later sa Juven. Dami na tao. Grabe, imagine mo kanina nakapag-propose pa si Jen dyan.
Isipin mo sa imagine mo, sobrang daming tao ngayon.
Kita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh! Work. Hey, going somewhere else now. Pagod. Yes. Ooh, hold on. Hello, we are here in Juven. Look at the streets. Very nice. Nice siya. Burat! Oh, ang ingay. Hello. This is the best beef noodle place. Yung shifa. Parang paiba na yung content.
Ito yung si Aiko Melendez.
Who?
Yung meme ni Aiko Melendez. At tapos ikaw sa'yo ng slowly.
Muna.
Mga
So, parang spicy.
mga garlics.
Garlic.
Okay na to with even without.
Yeah, actually. Pero I like it
So homey.
spicy.
Okay, ready. Okay, and
Hello everyone. We are here at the noodle place.
nice.
Doc.
I'm slowly zooming in.
It's the beef noodles we've
Ay,
been
nag-update
craving
ka na
for.
din.
Dapat di ko na pinilit yung spices sa konti. Ano ba? I guess that's also why the night before, the day before we left. Parang may sakit na ako nun eh. Yung hapon na yun.
Sabi ni Jen, Diyos ko po, Diyos ko po.
Oo.
Kita mo to, no?
Chili.
Yes.
This is the best view. We are once again back in Jufen. Look at that view, look at that view. Welcome. Cavemen enter. Caveman number 3 and caveman number 5. This oh, it's giving claustrophobia.
Yo, ba't na tayo sa catacombs?
Oh girl, shut up. Uy,
Tangina si Victor. Pag pumunta tayo dito na dito na yung paa.
What about?
Ako kasi, wala, hindi nga ako dumuduko.
period queen.
Oh my God, parrot.
Paris Catacombs was good. Ooh.
Ano?
Ooh.
Nagkasya ka ba doon?
Period. Parang nasa ano lang pinagbuhatan. We're entering back inside the cave. I fit perfect here. She's giving crackhead vibes.
Ako kaka-coffee na.
And this one, period queen.
Yes. Yung punta na sa geopark.
That looks like something else. It's giving, ooh. Sige nga, buuhin mo nga. Girl.
Ay, nirecord pa
Oh
na.
shit.
Is it good as... Yes.
Parang same lang.
What?
Nakala mo na.
Be so shy.
Wala ka yung kagat ko.
You have a big mouth. Joey, please do it again. Okay. Oh, work vape. It's giving vape. Oh, fuck. Hello? Ba't sa akin wala?
Kasi nabibideo ka. Nawawala.
Don't look. Go, 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 go. I hope you get it. If not, this is not good. Oh my god! I got it on video! Yes! Wow! Yes! Oh god, it's giving magsasagasaan. Bitawan nyo na, nag-video na yung tao. Wala na, alis na kami. Bakla ka. Kasi nila bitawan yung lantern. Kitang nag-video na. Ayan. Bitawan mo na.
Punta tayo dito. Tapos dito na sa green. Tapos dito brown.
Oh wow, this is my favorite fast food. Food court food here in ang daming food in Taipei 101. Ah yes, mali basta. Meron siyang pork, may soup, may gulay and merong yes, kung ano man yan. We are at the end of day 2. Kinda. One last location.
Harap.
Swipe up. Charot. Balang ligaw yarn. Hey. Hey, ganja yun. Dito na tayo sa lugar ng mga addictus, convictus. Ooh.
Did you get that?
Wow, wala pang hawak. Where's Jen? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Oh! Why are we here?
Wala akong tayong.
Oh!
Halika dito. Sabi ko, hala, nakalimutan ko yung payong ko. I guess I have to buy one.
Oh!
Anong design? Anong design? Mas Marlax.
Lux. Yun daw.
Wala akong
Available. Box ang hinahanap ng mga box. Ooh. Ayan na. It's gonna be delivered. What are you getting?
No, because you maybe put 200 load on the other one.
What's this?
Ayoko.
Oh, Jenny, nambubudol ka pa. Kitang-kita sa camera.
Sabi ko sa kanya, bili ka din,
Tigisa tayo. Kitang-kita ko yung bakla ka. Ano sabi mo?
Butas. Mas sumigaw ka ng bulat dito, may makakatinig.
Burat!
Dapat pala,
Everybody look at me.
dapat pala.
No. Ayan, step by the step dito sa yes, market. Katukin mo baka lumabas siya. Yan ang buhay ng gangster. Outro na to. Oh my God, say goodbye. Say go say bye.
So fucking nice.
He's not. Pa-outro naman, sabi mo sa kanila goodbye. Girl, that's Ariel. And that's goodbye.